Alright, day 2 of solving cubic equations. We're looking at example number 1 here. Example number 1, I've got x minus 2 raised to the third power equals 125. Now, I always want to do the opposite, right? The inverse operation of raising something to the third power. The inverse operation of raising something to the third power is to cube root it. So I'd cube root both sides, those cancel out. I've got x minus 2 equals the cube root of 125, which is 5. Now I'm solving for x, so last step I'm going to add 2 to both sides, and I get x equals 7. Alright, let's make sure that that is a solution. So let's plug it back in. We've got 7 minus 2 cubed equals 125. Well, 7 minus 2 is 5. We know that 5 cubed equals 125. Bada bing, bada boom. Looking at example B. Example B, I'm going to add 2 to both sides. I got 2x cubed equals 2. I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides, and I get x cubed equals 1. Last step, let's take the cube root, and I get that x equals 1. Now to check our solution, we're going to plug it back in. So I have 2 times 1 cubed minus 2 equals 0. 1 cubed is 1 times 2, so 2 minus 2 equals 0, yes. Bam. Looking at C, I'm going to get rid of this plus 59 to get the cubed by itself. So I've got x minus 2 cubed equals 64. Now I'm going to take the cube root on both sides. And I get x minus 2 equals 4. I'm going to add 2 to both sides, and I get x equals 6. Again, let's check this solution. So I've got 6 minus 2 cubed minus 59 equals 5. So 4 cubed minus 59 equals 5. We know that 4 cubed is 64. So 64 minus 59 equals 5. So yes, 5 equals 5. Bam. All right, last one. We're going to cube root both sides. Those cancel out. We get q squared minus 40 equals 32 minus q. Now let's get these together so we can look to factor it. So we got q squared. We're going to add q to this side, and we got plus q. We're going to subtract 32 to this side, and we get minus 72. That equals 0. Now looking for factors of 72, we know that I have different signs here because I had to multiply to get a negative, so plus, minus. Factors of 72 that add or subtract basically to give me 1, it's going to be positive 9 and negative 8. I know it's a positive 9 because the bigger number gets that sign right there. Now I'm going to set both of these equal to 0, so I've got q equals negative 9 and I've got q equals positive 8. So those are my two answers. Now let's check to see if they're both solutions, right? We're going to plug them back in. We've got 8 squared minus 40 cubed equals 32 minus 8 cubed. 8 squared we know is 64. Alright, so 64 minus 40. We get 24 cubed equals 24 cubed. So that is a solution. Let's check negative 9. We've got negative 9 squared minus 40 cubed equals 32 minus negative 9 cubed. Alright, negative 9 squared is 81 minus 40 cubed equals 41 cubed. I'm 41 because I'm going to plus plus. We're going to change that. We're going to plus plus. Now 81 minus 40, excuse me, is 41 cubed equals 41 cubed. Rock on. Both are solutions.